Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Aurora here. Yeah, she's great. So when she's been here before with songs like Your Blood, for instance. So Aurora is back here with a song called The Conflict of the Mind. So this is a pretty simple song to play. We're going clean here. We have 4 chords that goes mainly in the same way through the entire song. So let's dive into the chords. And we're gonna start here with the C. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Alright, the next chord is the A minor, so you go like this, very easy transition to A minor, and that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Next chord is D minor, so that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. And then we have the G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Alright, so there we have the chords. In that chord progression, it will be from the beginning until the very end. Now we have a strumming pattern that needs to be divided into 2 different parts. So we're going to look at the transition here from C to the A minor. Alright, so the first part, or actually I can play the C and A minor together so you'll understand. So like that, and then further on in the song here we need to split that. But first, the first part of one string around here will be down, 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 and then a short pause. So and then it continues up, down, down, down. And that is part 2. So down, 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 a short pause, and then up, down, 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 which is the part 2. So and that is one string around. You're gonna play the main part here till about 2 minutes and 53 seconds into the song. You're gonna play one string around per chord in order as we learn the chords. So C, A minor, D minor, and G, like this. And it goes like that, round and round. That's the main part. Then we have a big chunk of an outro, and it starts, like I said, from 2 minutes and 53 seconds into the song till the very end. And you're gonna play the same chord progression here, but now is when you need to split this strumming pattern into 2 parts. So you're gonna now play C, part 1, the down, 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 and then you shift to A minor and play part 2, up, down, down, down. And do the same then with the D minor, part 1, down, 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 and then G, part 2, up, down, down, down. You're gonna do that round and round. I don't know how many rounds, but to the very end, like this. Alright, so that pretty much covers Aurora's The Conflict of the Mind, and she will be back here. If she continues to release songs, I will bring them on Gordon Guitar. So make sure you subscribe here to this channel if you love Aurora, and feel free to wish for songs during the week here, and on Wednesdays I bring songs up here for you. So that's your day, guys. So continue interacting here with me on Gordon Guitar, support me, and all that good stuff. Until then, next time, play tuned.